Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about MintblockchainAirdrop guys. So basically we'll be able to earn points here, and currently you can see if you go inside the Twitter account, so it's time to enter the next chapter of Mint blockchain together. So we'll be able to join in their mint forest and claim all the points. Okay, so and here you can see guys, already 45% got already claimed. Okay, so this particular project has the support from Optimism too, so must watch this video until the very end guys. It's very simple to claim the points. Okay, it hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes of your time to complete all the tasks. So before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys, and like this video and continue watching it guys. Many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button. Okay, and this is our Telegram channel guys. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. So in case if you haven't followed me here, must to follow me here guys. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So first of all, I'll be leaving this link in the description. Just click on that, it will take you here. So once you come here, the first thing what you have to do is just click on the connect and then click on MetaMask, and your MetaMask account will pop up. Then we need to connect our MetaMask account. Okay, so just click on next and click on connect, and our MetaMask wallet will get connected here. So once your wallet got connected, here you can see it will ask for login. Okay, so just click on login and then your MetaMask will pop up. Just click on sign, and once you click on the sign, so firstly we just need to do the login, and the next thing we need to verify your Twitter account. Okay, so just click on connect and then it will take you to your Twitter account. So just click on give authorize, and then again it will take you back here. Okay, so and now you need to have the code, invitation code. Okay, so I'll be leaving this code in the description. So just copy the code and come back here and click on bind and just paste the code and click on join, and then you'll be joined here. Okay, so once you bind the invite code, it will be looking like this only guys. So here you can see the leaderboard and all. So now we need to complete the task to get this points. Okay, so in order to complete the task, here you can see the task button. Okay, so just click on this one, and first thing we need to follow their Twitter account. Okay, so just click on go, and then it will take you to their Twitter account. So just go there and click on follow, and once you follow them and come back here and click on verify, and then it will get verified. Okay, and the next thing we need to click join their Discord account. Okay, so just click on go, and then it will take you to their Discord account. We need to give authorize. So after you connect to your Discord account, then we need to go inside and follow them. Okay, so just click on accept invite, and it will open their Discord account. So we need to follow them on their Discord. Okay, finish, and then it will take you here. So once you come here, you can see the verify here. Okay, so just click on that and click on this one and just click on submit, and then you will get verified. Okay, so currently now we got verified, and now come back here and click on verify. Even this task will done and our points will be added. Okay, so here you can see me points is getting added. So now we need to test the mint test bridge. Okay, so just click on go, and then it will take you here. So here we need to have Sepolia token. Okay, which is testnet token. So once you come here, we need to connect our wallet. Just click on connect, and then MetaMask will pop up. Just click on next and click on connect, and then your wallet will get connected. Okay, so once you got connected, no, so we need the balance of Sepolia. Okay, so Sepolia testnet token we need to have. So if you don't have it, you'll be able to claim it from this alchemy.com. Okay, so just log in here and choose Ethereum Sepolia and paste your address, and then click on send me ETH. Then you will be receiving the ETH inside your wallet. Okay, so all you have to do is just copy the address and paste it here and click on send me ETH, then you will be receiving it. Okay, so now come back here guys. So once you come here, here you can see I'm having some balance. Okay, so I'm going to do the bridging of some 0.1 Ethereum. Okay, so just click on switch network, and then it will switch the network and MetaMask will pop up. So we just need to click on confirm, and once you click confirm, here you can see the transaction got submitted, and then it will get successfully done. Okay, so once it gets done, no, so you will receive a notification like this. Okay, so once it comes, no, so successfully it's done, and go back here and click on verify, and even this task will get done. Okay, so here you can see the me point, it got added. Okay, so now again one last task is we just need to go and share this on the Twitter. So just click on go and come here and click on the post button. So once you post it, again head back here and click on verify. Even this task will get done. Okay, so altogether we got some 8.5 me points. Okay, so here I don't know what is this bubble. If you click on the bubble, that 500 points will get added. So it's kind of like a daily check-in, I guess. And here you can see the time is running out. Okay, so whenever after the time runs out, just again click on this bubble, you'll be able to add again another 500 points. Okay, so this is how you can actually earn the points here. So here you can see all the completed tasks. So this is actually new, guys. We didn't know the funding details about the project, so soon they will be announcing their funding details and all. Okay, so as of now, just try this mint and just claim this me points. Okay, so surely it will have some benefit for the future. So this is it, guys, in this video. I hope you all like this video. If you do so, hit the like button, and thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video.